In the epoch before the stars aligned as we know them, there thrived a civilization that the modern world has forgotten. This was an age of ice and fire, where the land was cloaked in glaciers, yet the hearts of its people burned bright with knowledge and ambition. Known to themselves as the Sky Watchers, they harnessed the secrets of the cosmos, erecting monuments that whispered of their understanding of the heavens. The Sky Watchers had cities of stone, not unlike the pyramids of Giza or the temples of Teotihuacan, but grander, older, and infused with a wisdom that spoke of a time when the earth was different. They had mastered agriculture, astronomy, and architecture, their knowledge encoded in the very stones they left behind. Their society was one of peace, learning, and a profound connection with the earth and stars, until the celestial doom came. In the heart of the last ice age, around 12,800 years ago, a cataclysm struck. The sky fell, not in one piece, but in a barrage of fiery fragments from a disintegrating comet. The impact was cataclysmic, igniting the skies, causing massive floods, and bringing an abrupt end to the Younger Dryas period with a force that reshaped the planet's climate and geography. The Skywatcher's world was drowned, burned, or buried under the deluge of change. From this apocalypse, only a few survived, scattered like seeds across the winds. These survivors, bearing the weight of lost knowledge, journeyed across the globe, their hearts heavy with the burden of starting anew. They found themselves among hunter-gatherers, primitive in comparison, yet resilient and curious. In each new land, the survivors of the Skywatchers shared their ancient wisdom. They taught the art of agriculture, giving birth to the first cultivated fields in places like the Fertile Crescent. They introduced the concept of monumental architecture, aiding in the construction of sites like Göbekli Tepe in Turkey, which predates known civilizations by millennia. Their astronomical insights helped shape the calendars and religious practices of emerging cultures, from the Mayans to the Egyptians, linking disparate groups through celestial lore. In the jungles of the Amazon, they whispered the secrets of plant medicine, planting the seeds for shamanic traditions that would thrive for thousands of years. Across the icy plains of Siberia and the harsh landscapes of North America, they shared survival techniques, leading to the creation of complex earthworks like the Serpent Mound, embodying their understanding of the cosmos. The Skywatchers did not claim divinity, but their knowledge was so vast and their methods so advanced that many of the tribes they encountered revered them as emissaries of the gods. Over time, their teachings morphed into myths, the Great Cataclysm remembered in various cultures as the Great Flood, the story of Atlantis, or the tales of gods descending to teach humanity. Yet, as the centuries passed, the direct lineage of the Skywatchers faded into legend. Their physical remnants, submerged or buried, were largely forgotten, and their teachings were woven into the fabric of new civilizations without credit to their true origin. The hunter-gatherers who once learned from them became the founders of what we now recognize as the cradle of civilization. The legacy of the Skywatchers lay not in the remnants of their cities, but in the spark of knowledge they ignited across the globe. Their story, a blend of science and myth, reminds us that even in the darkest of times, wisdom can be the light that guides humanity to rebuild and rise again. And though their civilization is no longer, their influence echoes in the stars we still watch, in the crops we still grow, and in the monuments we still marvel at, a testament to a lost world that once was.